Alright, so I wanted to show what it's like when it's raining in here. It's all dripping back there because they left that open. You can see the rails of the tonneau cover. And with this light rain, no leaks. Looks good. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, and the tailgate, if you leave it, the rain, it will go ahead and pour down there, hopefully. Alright, here's the Cybertruck in the rain. Windows all have rain on it. You can hear the sound. Okay, here's the wiper. Let's see, this is on speed 1, right? Let's try speed 2. Alright, speed 3. And speed 4. Well, that's shaking the truck. Alright, so I think that's enough of that. You can see it has those infrared lights so it can see in the dark with the cabin camera. That's pretty much it for now. See you guys later. First rain. Oh yeah, here you can see how the rain looks. Pretty cool. Seeing the rain through the cameras. Okay. Here's the outside in the rain. You can hear the sound of the rain on it. Yeah, see you guys later.